Making video ads used to be one of the hardest things about launching a product. You needed a script, a hook, a video editor, maybe an agency, and even then you had no guarantee it would actually work. I have zero marketing experience and I just made three completely different professional video ads for this keyboard, the Hyzen, the world's first mechanical magnetic keyboard, in one afternoon, using one tool called Higgsfield Marketing Studio. But here's a part that actually surprised me. I didn't write a single hook, not one opening line. The AI did it automatically, straight from the Kickstarter page. I'm going to walk you through every single format, show you the hooks it generated, and tell you honestly which ones I think are the best. This is Higgsfield AI Marketing Studio 2.0. This one is pretty good, and here you can see that you can start creating your own ads by using AI generated characters. For example, UGC, then you can even create ads for product demos like I will do just in a second, and also video ads. And then also you will get scroll stopping content pretty much for every channel. You can see here also a few examples, unboxings, TV spots, tutorials, etc. So pretty much sky is the limit. And yeah, pretty much let me show you how we can do this as well. So once you are here on this website, I will also put a link for it in the video description down below, by the way. Click here on start creating. Once you are here, you will see this first message: turn any product into a video ad. And here also you have a few of the templates, for example, hypermotion, then pro virtual try on, you have even UGC virtual try on, and many others as well. But here on top, I will select here a product because I have a keyboard, and then here I will click on UGC. These ones I think are the most realistic, so let's click here. And here's the crazy part, it can also generate you some hooks. So if you go to hook, you can pretty much see a few of the templates, for example, product hit, interview, random object, mic. Here I'm going to click on subtle, and let's click here on interview. And you can right now see here that the hook is already implemented. Interviewer ask a second stranger a question based entirely on the first stranger's random answer. And if you want, you can also even edit it if you prefer it so. So you can click on edit here, save as a new hook, or even write it here yourself. So I'm going to select here save as new hook. And one really cool thing about here Marketing Studio on higgsfield.ai is that you can go here to product and you can paste in your product link. For example, here I have this keyboard to promote. Pretty much I will copy the link for the keyboard. Let's go back to the product generator and you can click here on send, and here it will just extract all the images and the information about the product from the website. Now we can see here the product. We can even click here on the three dots to edit a few things. For example, here we have the product name, then also the description and the image. I'm going to click here on save, and now we can just select it like this. And once you have it selected here, I think you're pretty much good to go. Here, of course, you will have to type in your prompt. So for that, I'm going to use here ChatGPT. Now here inside ChatGPT, I'm going to ask it write a description of the ad in UGC format for this product. And now I'm also going to make the ad 15 seconds long. Now you might be asking yourself, why 15 seconds? Because here, if you go to this menu, you can see here that the duration maximum is pretty much 15 seconds. So this is why I gave the ChatGPT here this prompt. And now let's just copy it and paste it inside like this. I think it looks pretty good. And I will just remove the emoji here from the and text, so just like this. And now here we can also click on generate and change the aspect ratio. So let's click on generate and just wait for a few seconds. Now with the next option, I will go here with for example, something else. For example, unboxing. I think it will look pretty good. And now for the hook, I will go with something completely different. So here we have the interview. You can even generate a preview. I will go again with the subtle one, and let's try this one right here, which is product crash. So let's put it right here. And again, if you want, you can also edit the hook yourself right here. Now for the setting, I will go here to the realistic, and maybe we can go here to the office as well. And now you can even pick here your own avatar, but I will leave this option for the third ad we're going to create. So here I will go back to ChatGPT. I'm going to ask it, make the environment an office. There is a girl showing off this product. Let's click here on send this prompt, and now I will just copy it here from ChatGPT, paste it inside once again. So let me just delete this, put it like this. We can click here on plus. If you want, you can also, by the way, here upload your own image generations and stuff like that. And here I have the prompt once again and the unboxing as the template. So we have pretty much everything set up here. The product crash is the hook, the office is the environment, and then the unboxing is the style. So now here I also have the link to my product. So let's just click here on generate like this. Now for the third video, let me also show you something else here. I will go with aspect ratio of 9:16. So this one will be vertical in 15 seconds long format. And now here I will go to higgsfield.ai website where I'm going to create an image. And here I'm going to use Nano Banana Pro. And now for the aspect ratio, because we're going to create an ad in 9:16 aspect ratio, I will also select here the same ratio like this. And then here describe the scene you imagine. And here for the quality, I think that 1K will be enough. And we can even go here with 4 images. So here you can also pretty much pick your own model here. I think I will go with Nano Banana 2 here for this one. And now let's just go here and I will go back to this image. And here I will just copy this image right here and paste it inside here. So you can now see it right here. And I will go back here and just copy one line or a few lines of the description of this product. Maybe let's go here down below, scroll here a bit further. I will copy here this line from the design, paste this inside, and let's click here on generate button. Now, I think I messed this up, so I will go back here, select here the aspect ratio of 9:16, batch size of 4:4, and let's click on generate once again. And now, meanwhile, Higgsfield is generating the images. I will go back to ChatGPT, and here I will ask a follow-up, create a yet another scroll stopping ad. So just like this, yet another scroll stopping ad. And here we will have something completely different. So now I will just copy it like this. So this is my prompt once again. Now here we already have some really cool images generated here by Higgsfield AI and Nano Banana 2. I think I will go with this one right here. So once you have it right here, you want to download it to your computer. And once you have the image, you can then go here to the new project inside the Marketing Studio. Let's click here on plus and upload the image. So here, let's do this. I agree and continue. Right now it's uploading. And now let's just select this image. Let's click on attach. Now for this third ad, I'm going to use here UGC once again. And then for the hook, I will go back to subtle and let's try something else here. Maybe we can go with the camera bump here this time. And I will paste in this brand new script for the ad. So this one I think will be the best among them all. So let's just paste it like this. Now for the setting, we can go maybe even to the roofing, for example. Now aspect ratio 9:16 because this image originally is 9:16, of course. Duration, I will go with 15 seconds. And now for the avatar, I'm going to pick one really simple one. Maybe we can go with Yuki this time. So just like this. And now for the product, I will leave it as it is because we already have here this image right here. Or maybe let's just try here and put this one here as well. So I will just put it like this. And now we have, I think, pretty much everything ready. So now I will just remove here this and let's click on generate this last video ad. And now as you can see, all 3 videos just finished generating. And now let me show you full results.
Pineapple.
Pineapple or nay?
Okay, this is the Higgsfield keyboard by Luflu. It's mechanical plus magnetic, so it feels crisp for work but reacts fast for gaming. Hot swap compatible, and I'm getting around 80 hours of battery. If you want one board for both, it's on Kickstarter. Quick break, this is the Luflu Higgsfield, the mechanical magnetic keyboard. It's heavy, in a good way. CNC aluminum body, hot swap ready, and the magnetic switches feel fast but still mechanical. If you want one, Luflu Higgsfield is live on Kickstarter. Okay, so that happened. This is the Higgsfield. Mechanical switches, magnetic actuation, both in the same board. CNC aluminum, hot swap, feels like it should cost twice what it does. The bump was worth it.
Now, I do think they look pretty good. And by the way, you guys, if you want to make your own ads using AI, I think higgsfield.ai Marketing Studio is definitely way to go. And I will put this link in the video description down below so you guys can easily check it out. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.